you want to publish a video so bad, but it's confidential, I want to keep the person present hidden or information hidden, well, stay around and I show you how. Want to make your editing a lot easier, very simple, nothing complex, I would recommend Filmora. It is a very good video editing software. This is where you can make your imagination go live within one click. Okay, so the first step we need to do is import our video to the timeline. So I'm gonna go ahead and select on this file. Put it down to our timeline. Key project setting. I'm gonna go and cut right here. Go ahead and cut the file from that part, and we're gonna go ahead and render. Put this down here. Now I'm gonna double click, and we're gonna go ahead and click on motion right here. This symbol, motion tracking. Click on that. I'm gonna go ahead and get him head or his face in the box. Okay, so after doing that, we'll click on start tracking. After clicking on start tracking, we're going to go ahead and click on Add Mosaic. Alright, so that has been added. I'm going to go ahead and render our file. After adding that, we're going to go ahead and extend this. Expand, I should. So let's go ahead and expand this over his face. Let's go ahead and expand this over his face. Done. Alright, that is done right there. Alright, so we got that, and we're gonna go and render it again. Alright, so let's go ahead and give it a play and see what we have. Okay, that's one way, that's one way of doing it. So I'm gonna go and show you a different way if you don't want to use it from that part. So what you need to do is gonna go on element, and you're gonna type in mosaic right here. Okay, click on that. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this right here. Pull this down to our timeline. Expand it. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and double click here. Click on this. Mosaic shape pack, okay, make it smaller. So we're gonna go ahead and make this a lot bigger to hide the person's face. Alright, so go ahead and render it right now. And then we're gonna click on play. Yeah, and that's how you're going to make use of the mosaic pack. Let's go to effect and type in mosaic. As you can see, there are different versions of mosaic that you can choose from. We never used to have this in Filmora, but we have these now different types we can choose from. Well, as usual, if you have any question at all, you can feel free to comment down below and ask me the question, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.